Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is the world, the fastest foldable 5G phones. So, ladies and gentlemen, today we bring 3 PC: the MateBook new MateBook X Pro, and the MateBook 13, and the MateBook 14. Today we bring the latest, our new MateBook X Pro. Thank you. So first, let's look at our design. Our design is this year. The back, the logo, we changed the new logo, and we provide 2 popular color: the Misty Silver and Space Gray. And this is ultra slim, not light but also slim. You can see that the thinnest area only 4.9 millimeters. The thickest area only less than 14.6 millimeters. And the screen of this is we reached the screen body to ratio to 91%. The borderless feeling compared with the 16:9, that's display ratio, is better for performing, better your reading, for your documentation and everything. It's more convenient. And also the port, the Thunderbolt 3, we upgrade this port to full speed, and you can expand to 4K display, and also expand the support external graphic card, and also support a much higher speed. And also, we upgrade to the latest generation, the Intel 8th generation processor. We upgrade to the latest NVIDIA GeForce MX 250 graphic card. Compared with integrated the graphic card, we can have 3.5 times better performance. Now that's the Huawei MateBook X Pro. The new X Pro, we also bring you some intelligent experience. So today we bring you Huawei Share One Hop functionality.
As you can see here, I have the recharge picture that I have take right now. And now with the One Hop feature, I have only to tap here, as you can see. And now I have the picture on the laptop. And now I'm going to show you the multi-picture transfer. I have here a lot of pictures of Muffin, my dog. And now I can select all of them, as you can see. And with the same technology, with the One Hop, I have only to tap here with the NFC. And as you can see, all the pictures appear instantly on the laptop. It's incredible here. And now I want to transfer this funny video and an instant record screen on the display of my smartphone on real time. As Richard said, I have only to shake the smartphone and One Hop. Here one more time, and now I can push play. And as you can see on the smartphone, on real time appears the video that is on the display of the laptop. This is wonderful.
And also, we're introducing the clipboard sharing.
And now I'm going to select with the clipboard copy, select all the text. Okay, and now I tap on copy. Here is easy to press on the right button, and now I only have to paste the text, as you can see here on the PPT. It's crazy.
And also, we're introducing the world's first the finger gesture screenshot. How can you do that? You can use 3 fingers to swipe down the touch screen of the PC. Then it will immediately capture the screen. And you can select the size, you can crop it. So like the Huawei smartphone, the knuckle sense, similar like that. You can, very convenient for you to capture screen and to edit it, to change that. It's really, really convenient. Today also I want to bring you a new product. It's MateBook 14. So MateBook 13 and MateBook 14 together, you can see that we have the ladies and gentlemen, this is the world, the fastest foldable 5G phones, the Huawei Mate X. We bring you the future of design, the future of technology. Let's first look at our design. It's a large screen, 6.6 inch. And also, if you see the back of this, it's 6.38 inch. So with this way, you can also use this for the selfie and for the front camera, because in the back side we have no camera, only on this area. And also, when you open it, like this way, it's 8-inch. The display ratio is 8 to 7.1. So it's really a fabric, a large screen. So you can use this anyway. Either you fold it or you open it. So very convenient. But it's also larger screen. You can see compared with other. Even when you fold it, it's a larger screen, 6.6 inch. And also when you open it, you can see the screen size. It's 8-inch. No cutoff. No cutoff of the screen. The full display. No punch, no notch at all. And also more importantly is this falcon wing design. Our engineer, we are working on this for 3 years. We put so much resource and technology and people working on this in hinge. This is the industry with the most sophisticated hinge in this world. So when you open it, you can see that the thickness is so thin. With our thickness, it's only 5.4 millimeters. You can feel how thin it is. The other foldable phones, their thickness is like a normal smartphone. When you fold it, it's like 2 phones together. But we just like 1 phone, 1 smartphone. When we fold it, it's less than 11 millimeters. Actually, this thickness is only 10.8, 10.9, like around that thickness. The other is 17 millimeters. And also, you have the gap between that. We have the sidebar. We put the power Type-C jacket here. And also with this technologies, we make this very convenient. With this sidebar, you can see we make it very convenient to take. When you're watching the web page, it's so bigger. And when you're reading, you can see that the experience is totally different. And also we support the side-by-side, this browsing experience. And also we support with the multitask. With the multitask on this, so it's convenient for you to do the multitask between the 2 task interaction. For example, if you send the email, send files from your gallery, you can draw a photo, draw a video to your email. We can say that this phone, the Huawei Mate X, have the industry's best selfie. Why? Because we are using a rear camera for the front selfie. And also this is amazing experience. That's when you take the selfie, you can let the other people see you. I take a photo of you, I can let you see me. We also bring your future technology. The future technology today is 5G is on. 5G is coming. 5G is on Mate X. The Balong 5000 is the industry, the first 7nm multi-mode modem. And also it supports SA and NSA architecture. And also you have achieved the super fast speed, the fastest, the modem. And you can support on sub 6 GHz band. The uplink, the downlink can up to 4.6. And running on the millimeter wave. Next time we can support 6.5 gigabit downlink. And if we together with LTE, we can achieve the 7.5 gigabit. We combine the 5G and 4G, we can achieve the 7.5 gigabit. It's the fastest modem in the world. It's not a PPT modem. It's a modem is already available. And also this can support the dual SIM card. And also the large battery, dual battery inside this. You cannot believe in so thin body. We have 2 batteries inside, 4,500 milliampere huge battery inside. And more importantly, we support the industry, the fastest supercharge, 55 watt, unbelievable speed. And make a comparison, you can see that within 30 seconds, you can charge 85% of this 4,500 milliampere battery. You can see this is our smartphone charger. Typically, you can use the Type-C, the PC charger can charge your smartphone, but you never can use your smartphone charger to charge your PC. But this, you can use this to charge your PC. MateBook X price here. It's 2,299 euros. You may feel that's so much the new technology and innovation here. Currently, the cost is very expensive. Our engineer, we are trying to make the cost down. But currently, it's really a lot of new technology inside this. And after we launch this, we start to give the phones for the carriers operators for the 5G field trial. And maybe we can start to sell this to give to service to the consumer, maybe to the middle of this year, maybe to the June of this year. I guess that this phone, the Mate X, maybe in the smartphone industry, this 10 years, the biggest innovation for this industry. Maybe I'm not humble to say that. So we want to really to bring the latest innovation to everyone. So the future is here. The future is now. Thank you.